Hey, it's DIY Doran here, back with some Harbor Freight tool deals. This is the brand deals here. We have Bauer. It is a free tool if you buy a 20 amp, 5 amp hour battery and a 3 amp charger, $89.98. Here are the tools. I think that, I can't tell if that's a 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact wrench there. There's the circular saw, which I have. The reciprocating saw, I think that's the brushless one. I have the non-brushed, or the non, yeah, the non-brushed. I have the brushed version. And then, yeah, there's some other stuff. You can see what there is. Rotary tool, grease gun. These are the best prices on these that I've seen with the tool deals lately. And then Hercules has 2 of them. This one is 2.5 amp hour batteries for $44.98. Or they have a similar deal where you get a free tool if you buy a 5 amp hour charger and or 5 amp hour battery and 4 amp hour charger, $99.98. And here are the tools for that. Some good ones. I'm thinking about getting the polisher, and I want to get that hammer drill. A lot of the other stuff I have, like that die grinder is amazing. The impact wrench right there is awesome. I'm going to get this compact hammer drill driver. I have this die grinder, or this angle grinder. That thing's nice. I wish I would have gotten this reciprocating saw instead of the Bauer one. I'm kind of disappointed with the Bauer one, the brushed one. This 1/4 inch impact is amazing, just amazing, like as fast as the Milwaukee. Here's the router. It's basically the same as the Bauer. I'm not sure exactly the difference, though. It's pretty subtle. And then here's the other stuff. This 1/2 inch impact wrench right there is great. And I'm thinking about getting this polisher. Oh, here's something else too. Check this out. It looks like they're starting to clearance out the 5-drawer mechanics carts to go for like a series 3 here. So if you look, they're all marked down. So they're regularly $289. So we have some of the colors that coming in at $269, $249 for the green. And then the yellow and orange are probably gonna be the cheapest, $199 each. And then the white, still pretty popular at $250. So there's some good deals here, and they're gonna be dropping the prices too, I predict, until they get rid of them all. So those are my tips right now. And I ran the numbers. I have a whole spreadsheet of the Bauer and Hercules tool deal prices, and this is better than the one from last month, and better than the one at well, it's the same as the sale that's gonna be coming up. So anyways, check out my channel for more tool deals, how-tos, and tool reviews.